Joining the SpinnerClean family of surface cleaners is the EcoSpin 12. This 12-inch surface cleaner offers some great features, yet a very attractive price tag. Both lightweight and nimble, the EcoSpin 12 with a minimum flow rate of 12 litres water movement per minute is perfect for cleaning driveways, patios and a wide variety of hard landscape surfaces to high standards. The stainless steel constructed head keeps all the dislodged dirt on the floor and not on surrounding areas. EcoSpin 12 connects to the top half of a lance with 22mm connections. Features include a cleaning width of 12 inches, 3 multi-directional wheel casters, foldable handle for ease of storage, and robust stainless steel construction. The EcoSpin 12 comes with the exceptional backup and support from SpinnerClean as standard.